Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you the simple and delicious way to make Pad Thai. Here is all the ingredients of Pad Thai and also to make a Pad Thai sauce. First of all, we need to prepare the Pad Thai sauce. Only 3 things we'll need. Palm sugar, tamarind juice, and fish sauce. Just mix them together in the pot with the low heat until everything is mixed well. Set aside. We will add it in the Pad Thai later on in the video. Okay, now let's start cooking. Previously, I have shown all ingredients for making Pad Thai, so now you can see how it looks like, which some you can find at the normal supermarket or Asian supermarket. For the tofu, you can buy the fresh one or the deep fried one, as you prefer. For the chili sauce, I use sriracha sauce. These Chinese chives have a very special taste. You can find them in the Asian store only, or you can use the spring onion instead, also possible. For the rice noodle, I would suggest to leave them in the water first for 5 minutes or until it's soft, because it's very easy to stir fry after. Here I show you how to cut onion. First cut half moon, then cut half lengthway and slice. For the chicken, first cut in half, then slice into pieces of 1 cm. This video I use 2 chicken breasts, but you can use less or add more if you want. And here for the tofu, just cut half and dice it. Cut the Chinese chives into pieces of 5 cm. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oil. It can be nut oil, flower oil, or any kind of oil, and wait until the pan is hot. Then add onion, sweet radish, dry shrimp, and stir together. Then continue adding tofu and then stir again. Now add the chicken and then stir until it's baked. Then add the noodle after. Then add the pad thai sauce that I made earlier in the video. Then add some chili sauce, but if you don't like spicy, then just skip this part. And after that, mix well. Move everything to the side of the pan and add the egg, baked until well cooked. Then mix everything well together again. Lastly, add some bean sprouts and chives, stir a bit and then turn off the heat. And there you have it, the pad thai, and don't forget to serve with crushed peanuts, chili powder and lime on the sides as the real pad thai requires. Hope you liked this video and enjoy cooking this dish. Thank you for watching.